What if you could ease away tension in your neck, shoulders, and upper back with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Release and return to center, moving into neck rotations. Sitting tall, imagine the crown of your head reaching gently upward. On your inhale, keep your chin parallel to the earth, and on your exhale, gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder, going only as far as it feels comfortable. Inhale at center, exhale, gently turn to the left. Continue moving within your own range of motion, allowing this movement to originate from the space between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long. Pausing at center, moving into shoulder shrugs. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release, relaxing. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhales begin to ease away any tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. When you're ready, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder while keeping both shoulders down and relaxed. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. With your next inhale, slowly lift your head back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. When you're ready, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping both shoulders down and back. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. With your next inhale, lift your head back to center and release. moving into dynamic arm raises. With an inhale, sweep your arms forward and up as high as comfortable. And on your exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body while stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Pausing at the top, adding an arch your arms variation. Bend your right elbow, reaching between your shoulder blades. Using your left hand to guide your right arm in along the right side of your head, keeping your right elbow pointing to the sky, your neck long and your chest open, feeling a gentle stretch through your right arm, shoulder, and chest. Release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Bend your left elbow, reaching between your shoulder blades, and use your right hand to gently guide your left arm in along the left side of your head, lengthening your left elbow towards the sky while keeping your chin level with the earth. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch. Reach your right hand across your body to your left leg. Inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, stretch up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, reaching energetically through your left fingertips. Slowly release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or just a bit more peaceful and centered. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good. Now that was good.